Today, since it's close to Father's Day, I thought I should make something special for my dad. So I'm going to make him some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. That's his favorite combination. So let's get to it. So the ingredients for the peanut butter chocolate chip cookies are butter, sugar, brown sugar, eggs, baking soda, vanilla, flour, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and that's it. This recipe makes 36 cookies. So our first step is to add 1 stick of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Don't forget to pack your brown sugar before dumping it in. So now we are going to beat up our butter and our sugars both together at medium speed until they are creamy. If you notice if your ingredients aren't combining well, make sure to scrape down your bowl. So our next step is to add our eggs, our vanilla, and our baking soda. I always like to crack my eggs before putting them in our bowl so we don't get any shells into the mixture. I cracked my eggs ahead of time because I did get a little shell into the cup. I just used a spoon to get the shell out. Here is an Aid the Baker tip. Make sure to clean as you go so you can keep all your baking supplies organized. So our next step is to add 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of peanut butter. Now it's time to add our peanut butter. But wait, we must do our peanut butter dance before we do this. Peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, oh! Now it's time to add 1 cup chocolate chips. You could use semi-sweet, but I like to use milk chocolate because my dad really likes it. So our cookie dough is all mixed up and it looks and smells like peanut buttery deliciousness. Now it's time for our scoop. Scoop your dough into rounded tablespoons. Next, use a fork to gently press down your cookies. Time to go in the oven, 350 degrees for 12 minutes. After the cookies have finished cooling slightly, transfer them to a wire rack for them to finish cooling. Here's how the peanut butter chocolate chip cookie should look like when you're finished. Amazing! As you can see, I have my surprise all ready for my dad. 2 cookies and 2 glasses of milk. Dad, I got something special for you! Come on over here!
What do we have here?
Chocolate chip peanut butter cookies, your favorite flavor combination.
Oh, it looks delicious. Can we try it together?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Yummy, tasty, and delicious.
And peanut buttery.
And peanut buttery. Nothing finishes a cookie better than a nice glass of milk.
Yep.
Fantastic. Thank you for my delicious cookies.
You're welcome. After the cookies have cooled slightly, transfer them to a wire rack to them.
Come on!
Hey guys, it's Aid the Baker. Come back in our video. Today, since it's close to Father's Day, I thought I should make something for my dad to make him feel special. So I'm going to make chocolate peanut butter.
Come on.